Volkswagen ID4 DRL LED lights issue. So the daytime running light in this image on the right hand side is significantly dimmer than the one on the left hand side. Here we have a close-up of the one that seems fine, and the next image shows the one that's deteriorated, almost a burnt orangey colour, and I'll explain why. So this is the LED driver that was removed. You can see the three LEDs there in the centre. There's damage around those LEDs. When this one was installed, it was less bright than that image. That image that you just, i.e. this one, is with a new LED driver in. So I then had a look into why it's like this. Is it electrical? What is the problem? So with the boroscope, I've taken photographs of the rear of both of these headlights with the DRL drivers out. This is the rear of the good headlight, and you can see in the centre there's an unusual plastic looking disc. The hole to the left of that is the locating hole for a rod, of one of two. I'll show you that. So there's two rods there that protrude, and one of those go in that hole that I showed you on the other image. Here's another image of that disc there, and what I'll show you is the disc of the damaged headlight. So I say damaged, this is the burnt orangey colour one that I showed you, and this is the Y. So at some point my LEDs have overheated, they've melted that disc, so even when I put the new LED driver in, it's illuminating this colour basically, and that's why. The LED butt up to this, so this is a receiver in effect, and distributing that light signal across the whole tube at the top of the headlight. So what I propose to do is remove the headlight, have a look whether or not I could do away with that disc, but it's unlikely that I'll have the same effect intensity, so I've got to source some plastic or glass that will be heat resistant enough for the LEDs, but there must have been an issue with the LEDs for them to have overheated like that. I hope that this video helps other people, because it just shows you that you're not going to be able to get the parts individually, that little plastic disc. That's why people will have to buy a new headlamp from Volkswagen, or you take the bumper off and you have a look and do a repair. But if I've got any more videos, I will post them of any successes that I have. Okay, thank you.